Assalamualaikum everybody. Today I'm gonna cook vegetable. Look, I'm gonna show you. This is the vegetable. It's gonna. Yes, now I'm gonna open it for you guys. This is like that. It's like the vegetable. Now I'm gonna show you what's under. I'm not gonna put it all together. It's gonna be harder for me. And yes, this is that. I'm gonna cook this. Oh, that's so hard. And this is the little bit of that. It's the hot pepper. It's the pepper. And this is the onion. Now let me put this. The pepper is very. And this is the potato. Let me put this down. This is the turmeric pepper. And this is salt. We don't need this much salt. We don't need anything this much. Now, first we're gonna add the oil. Let's add a little bit of it. Not that much. That's enough. Guys, this is the oil for the vegetable. Let's add it. Okay. Now we're gonna add this. Right, Mom? Oh, now we're gonna add this. I forgot. Let's shake this. The spoon that I'm gonna use. We don't need that much, so I'm just gonna add this much. Oh. We're gonna drop all of it. I don't need that. Oh, why is it not coming out? You have to use the spoon always. There. Now we're gonna add this. Let's add it. Let's add it. Why is it not coming out, guys? This time. This is. Now we're gonna add this much. Okay. Now we're gonna add the salt. It's enough. Now we're gonna put everything back together. Except the vegetable. Because we didn't add it yet. And now we're gonna add the vegetable. Wow. Oh, some fire left. That's okay. Now we're gonna stir it a little bit. Then we're gonna add the water. Oh no, that was very good. A little bit of. Where's the water? Oh, it's so clear that I can't. I'm gonna add all of it. We're gonna keep a little bit for later. Now we're gonna mix it. And guys, now I'm gonna close all my boxes. And after this, we're gonna cook down. We're gonna be cooking. Oh, I forgot about the water. Let's add the water. There's the water. Now let's close it. Now let's hand will just cut. Now we're cooking, guys. It has to get. I'm gonna go get like this. It's gonna cook a little bit more, then we're gonna add it. Okay, now let's put this. It's done. Now we just have to wait. It looks so delicious, guys. Okay, guys, it's done. Let me take this. We're just gonna store it a little bit. Oh, it's so hot. Ah, it's so hot. Guys, please comment below if you want her to write under this video. Comment below. Ah. Guys, look, it looks so tasty. I just want to bite it. And look at it, it's sizzling so much. Sizzling, it's. Guys, I'm ready. Look at it. Oh, the vegetable is ready. And also the rice. Ah, I love it. And I'm going to put the rice back. Not that much because I'm going to eat. If you think I'm kidding, I'm not kidding, guys. It's hot. This is enough. Now I'm going to put this back on. Now I'm going to put this on the side. Put the can. Now I'm going to check. Remove this dish for the spoon. Let's take some vegetable. This is enough for the food. I'm going to take a little bit more. There. It's done. Now I'm just gonna taste it a little bit for you guys because I'm gonna eat more. Okay. Put this back on. I'm gonna wash my hands, guys. I cooked this. I have to wash my hands. of course. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna taste a little bit for you guys. Let's take this. Oh, it's hot. Bismillah. It's so delicious, guys. I love it. If you like this recipe, you can try it at home too. Just buy this kind of set and you can make your own self. Like this. Thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video.